bliana de dhéisianearich. Ha féidir go dtí chócaitach an bhí léasa go Gaeilge agus cultúr na Gael trú órain, drama, spórs, ceol agus cartas. Agus is simar sin péir nó bud ciúil a thug an an ceol van a néist mar a chiú the show. So many thanks to you all for turning out tonight to celebrate 30 years of Féisianearich with us. The Féis has been so important in Skye and Calsh to encourage Gaelic language and culture, and many of us, myself and all the youngsters here, have gained lots of lessons through Féis, and you will see an example, a fine example of that tonight. So here going to hacking Féis, she called ik na veel haast, heb ik kitchen. I'll have to play Skye Live on this project. So we now have a great group of 8, is it 8? Yeah, who have no name yet, but they will work on that for their performance at 7. Oh, they're shocking after. They're going to work on that for their performance at Skye Live, so if you enjoy them today, you can see them in 2 weeks' time. Tangay, Pashit Viva, Agus Madahushmi, Yepship Corum, each of the Shinity Skyline in Pashaba. So well done, girls, that was absolutely brilliant. Like I said, if you want to hear that again, we are performing in Skyline in 2 weeks. Agus an ish could have found to Erniana O, it will shin Ula Yoga on the television, Keely and a few Duke, when night works Gashian, Keely the Blanuda, got to put over Lavender Keely, so Ili Cormac.
Morentijn Horst do gewoon feestjarig hier zo'n kurig Horst do a vi colleague nog han do horsig oren jums mine fachten ik kan je zeggen jums zich niet veel nille ach han ik nog een tairog agus jums zich niet een veel hat dan menish is van chain ik wil mag pakken agus mar sé ma hoogste de feun agus as jol in de fachten nach geen seconde O his na hiu, o his na hiu, o his na hiu, o shemarun en tairo. Eidoi gaten viken, nem piepens, nem fittan, smikken giene daiker, slefit kial nem jord. O his na hiu, o his na hiu, o his na hiu, o shemarun en tairo. Shes fasant on armen, ne vi favan skachache, legiljans levante faen skachtoch. O his na hiu, o his na hiu, o his na hiu, o shemarun en tairo. Chavig oram sa bauchuden, ach o hein vi gastjure, gete vi vurgu oram chikut om kvart viod. O his na hiu, o his na hiu, o his na hiu, o shemarun en tairo. Ha ulan at garig, eis pegan a fasam, ha doch roer var fasig, satt och hatte forhiov. O his na hiu, o his na hiu, o his na hiu, o shemarun en tairo. Sannekeram de chalich, hoor miskeel en feiljarst, gaat de water tranen, schat toch aan uw oor. O his na hiu, o his na hiu, o his na hiu, o shemarun en tairo. Skrim mi kök att erking på nachricht mi umbliane, som a wine nach mich jetzt schick huiperieren doviot. O his na hiu, o his na hiu, o his na hiu, o shemarun en tairo. O his na hiu, o his na hiu, o his na hiu, o shemarun en tairo. Deze garsings worden tijdens mijn mission call doen. Hami toch heel veel zet. Wikke hakken ze le ik niet een benieuwd en chickle en cheer toch zijn girl. Dus last song I'm going to sing for you is called three things come without asking: jealousy, fear, jealousy, and love. Arish and Hasha Yol, not change to call them. I'm for it.
Well, ha léh an seo i de cholátaí mór cnéis cála bhí half agus apid 30 years ahead of young of Acadia. It's really great to be here celebrating the birth of Faith. I'm going to start off with a kind of Gaelic song tune. It's Oran and Taited. It's one of probably 100 Oran in Taisha. This is a Sky one. It was written by Neil MacLeod, and I think we've only got about one verse of it remaining, so it doesn't really get sung very often. So if anyone recognises the tune, we're looking for the other verses. So if you recognise it or know it, I'm sure there's lots of people that would like to know the rest of the song, so I'll just play the tune. And then a few jigs, all of which I kind of learnt at the Fèis over the years, starting with the Bag of Plums by John McCusker, and then Father John McNeill or Father Alan McNeill, I can't exactly remember, so if someone can remember, then tell me if I got it wrong. And then finishing with a Sky tune that I'm sure you'll all know, very well-known tune, and I vividly remember learning it at the Fèis when I was quite young. And it's one of these big four-parter pipe tunes, like great tunes, and at the time it took us all week to learn this tune, and we were trying and trying, and I remember Diane Bogue working really hard with us to get this tune, and we called it the Crazy Mad tune because we just struggled with it, but most of you will know it as Kenny Gillis with Portin' Along.
bhfuil Charlotte atá in bhí cúthaid is sinnéise seán imachach bliana agus kuchkin dú is a gas is minute news a cliff a grasta in Colorado, Colin Alleys and Melissa Callan, Garland City. Okay, here we have a Mackenzie family who have been part of the page for many years, and here's how you can hear some of them.
Hello. Is everybody good? You have a good night? Your very family? So I was at the very first Visionary. It was just a big farms, and very fortunate that it's still going 30 years later, and my own kids had the chance to go as well. So we're going to play a set of tunes from a mixture of tunes from Scotland and Cape Breton. We're going to start off with a tune called Father John Angus Rankin, followed by Bachraken, followed by St. Burns, or the Best of Balladalla, and a couple of years to finish.
did it really after we could just laugh and pull me fan around it. Stationary fan the funny thing I guess. No, the catch. Skill up look no. Kirsty there well. Yeah, my source said Kirsten said that Alien has production meant to fish, but source didn't really have. Should I say it? Yes, really. But anyway, here Crystal and Lauren, I guess, have a down to be down, Swedish Downton. So right now we're going to hear it from the Downton in Newlandskia, who are always dancing all over the place from Lydingport to Kilmuir Hall. So if you'd like to put your hands together for Downton in Newlandskia. Russian lab and we skied our pet view. Welcome to the dancers. We now have another family coming to join us. We have Hector and Ian Rudy Finlayson. Ian Rudy, who you saw earlier, leading Pipe Band, himself, and Hector is going to join us. Talon falta a Fidirchi, a ha a bhí chótáid go sin gorócha ag na féisisin, haig go brosnachig a bhí a sin agus hé héin na sinnifid ganamil, chud a falta in Anna Varstein.
Hallo, Lieutenant. Nachher een eigen soort hier early. Meerdag, vijftien minuten naar dollar. I guess when we do a call, so it's like, can you just imagine a world without music? How dark and bleak that would be. And I think we should all just remember how Googlewach funding is for the arts. And we should all just see a huge amount of pressure put onto our government to ensure that things like this can continue forever. Because 30 years is just a start, we can go on forever. And we also say that I think we should applaud not just this year's committee, but the committees for the last 30 years and all the parents that dragged children all over the country over those 30 years to go to classes. Can we just say a big thank you? But the fashion all over Scotland, and without fashion and girl, of course, they wouldn't be here. And I think we often forget just the impact that music has. And I'll tell you a story. I feel very privileged to be asked to go into schools up and down the country. This happened a few years ago. I was in Argyll on behalf of the Féis down in Argyll. And I'd actually done a week of touring there 1 year prior. And probably had maybe an hour and a half in a school at most. So a year on, went back to the same school. So I'm getting in a regular show, this little girl came running up to me in the playground. And she said, can we sing this song? And she started to sing the song. It was, I'll never forget, it was Boin Hortfield. And she sang the chorus. And I said, oh, do you remember that from last year? And she went, no, I wasn't in school that day, but my friend taught me. For you, I'm going to teach you a wee song. I was just thinking, maybe we should bring some songs from the North End of Skye down to Portugal tonight. And these two songs that I sing come from the collection of songs that the Cremadillas made in the 1930s. And Amagahul, maybe some of you have heard it, but it's not that common. Amagahul, oh, willoo, willoo, Amagahul. That's it. That's a bit for you guys, okay? Call me along. Amagahul, oh, willoo, willoo, Amagahul. And while the sheep margerichos, Amagahul, oh, willoo, willoo, Amagahul. Mach es dem und rechten Sort, Amagahul, oh, willoo, willoo, Amagahul. Heilig Jebachem Jegod, Amagahul, oh, willoo, willoo, Amagahul. Richten Tachers Rachen Shaw, Amagahul. As we haven't got this certain shop in Skye, it wasn't a Skye primary school. I was talking, I can't remember which song I was introducing to this group of children, and it was had references to the Clemences. Certainly, of course, have you heard of the Clemences? And they went, no, silent, not a beak. So I thought that was maybe just one step too much for a wee singing tutor to start going into that. So I said, listen, when you go back into class, maybe you can ask your teacher about the Clemences. How you, ik did a law, put in error show nonsense, and I know what they are. What are the Clemences, dude? They're the ones with the yellow stickers on in Morrison's. Okay, there's another song which has got a lovely, lovely chorus which you have to sing with, okay? And it lends itself to lots of harmonies. And we go,
you live Shane. I was impressed that dance at Illy a little more dancing, but different kind of dancing this time. This time we have Hector and Katie doing a sit and step dance. We'd like to welcome Ronan and Katie. Billy Pim Mikare. And actually, instead of Ronan and Katie, we actually have Patsy Seddon first. I myself spent many years trying to master the Clar stuff, but luckily you have not got me playing the Clar stuff today. Instead, you've got a much more experienced player. So if you'd like to welcome Patsy to the stage, please.
Hallo, es Germania Höhe, haben wir heute die Show noch. Wenn wir hier ist, as a flock, I was mentioning. So I'm going to play you a couple of my favourite tunes. The first one is by John Somerville. I'm sure many of you know John, and it's a beautiful tune called McKechnie's Farewell. And then after that, a tune by a friend of mine from Shetland, a man called Robbie Leask, and he wrote this piece of music for a troupe of sword dancers, not the ones that we had tonight, but another lot, and they named themselves the Gersach Lasses. It is a Gaelic word, but I won't translate it for you because it's not very family friendly. But do come and ask me afterwards if you'd like to know what it means.
beginning to learn Gaelic, and it's the St Kilda Bird Song. And I had the privilege to get out to St Kilda about 3 years ago, and it was really quite magical to be able to look down the cliffs that I used to sing about and know about, the young men hanging off these ropes and catching the birds and the eggs and all the things that they needed for survival. To actually be there and actually see that was quite amazing. And of course in the song, the girl is at the top of the rope, looking down and checking out the young men and which one she likes the best and things like that. So the St Kilda Bird Song. And then I'll play a very popular tune. I'm sure all the musicians in the room know this one, the St Kilda Wedding. So thank you very much, and see you at the dance. Hinda la horowee hoo, hinda la la, hinda la horowee hoo hoo hoo, hinda la horowee hoo, hinda la la. Hafleske grasa balisho, risha kanadol, na feigesu, kusori hege morje. Hinda la horowee hoo, hinda la la, hinda la horowee hoo. In the la in the la get the big blue of little written collie, I took it to the huigo, or hui to Gitali. In the la in the la in the la in the la in the la. It's true that from each build and their mother fletcher galley. Ach, smillen, ik mis de kugelgade. In the la-horowee, in the la-la. In the la-horowee, huru-hui, in the la-horowee, in the la-la.
That's unfortunately moving more, like even inspired me to go pick up my dusty parcel. Anyway, next we have Ronan and Kenny doing the step dance and singing. I think that's what I enjoyed most about the Face, that we always had a variation of different types of classes, shinty, step dance and fun stuff, and I know the kids loved the step dancing, and we're probably seeing a better example of that tonight.
Is German Harsten, can we have noch? I'm going to play a set of tunes that I wrote a few years back. It was a commission for the Isle of Razi, another favourite island of mine. As keen sailors, we've often popped in and played a few tunes there in the hall, and we were asked to write some new music for the island a few years back. It was a commission for a new CD called Maraja, the Sounds of Razi. And a good friend of mine, Johnny Hardy, a fiddle player, he came over to the island. We spent a good few days there, and we stayed in a cottage down at the bay and in Churchton Bay. And we drove all over Razi, up to the north end, up to Callange Road, of course, and we visited the Brothel Castle, which is the ancient seat of MacLeod, I believe. Beautiful spot up there, and that's the first tune I'm going to play is Brothel Castle. It's a tune that Johnny was inspired to write on the way back, and also on the way home we had a bit of time to write some more tunes. There were so many cattle on the road, we didn't. It took us a while to get through, so we wrote a tune called The Herd on the Road to Armish, and then another tune we wrote was The Heights of Duncan, which is a jig. Unfortunately, we didn't get time to climb Duncan, but I did manage to make it back a few years later and get to the top. And another place we visited on that trip was hiding. It was a place called Halley, a beautiful spot on the east. It's also a great anchorage. And so we wrote a tune there. And my brother was visiting at the time. He came over and we wrote a tune there because he was hiding from his girlfriend at the time. A tune called Hiding in Halleck. So it's great to be here as part of the 30th anniversary of Féis Niaidh. I was at the very first Féis, I believe, and quite a few Féis after that, and then later came back as a tutor as well. So it's lovely to be here to see so many young players taking part again. fiddling and step dancing. A set of tunes Kenny and I put together the other night, starting off with a jig, Drummond Castle, and then good old Strathspey, King George's IV Strathspey, good classic Strathspey into the real King's Reel, and then finishing up with a Michael McGoldrick tune, Trip to Herbie's.